Today, I'm going to show you how to make a very simple hair serum for extreme hair growth. It's easy to make, but very effective. And once you try it, I'm sure many of you will love the results. If your hair feels dry or frizzy after using store-bought serums, this usually means your hair needs oiling. Your hair is asking for nourishment. Now, some people don't like using oil. If that's you, this serum is a great alternative. Let's talk about how to make it. Take around 500 to 600 milliliters of water. Add 10 bay leaves. Then add 1.5 teaspoons of fenugreek seeds. After that, add 1 teaspoon of flax seeds. Mix everything together and heat it on a medium flame for about 13 to 15 minutes. This part is important. Once it's done, filter it immediately while it's still hot. Do not wait for it to cool down. Flax seeds form a gel when they cool, and filtering becomes very difficult. After straining, collect the liquid. This is your hair serum. You can apply it directly to your scalp or through the entire length of your hair. Apply it 1 to 3 hours before washing your hair. The longer you keep it on, the better the results. After a few hours, wash your hair as you normally do. You'll notice your hair feels smoother. It looks shinier. And over time, this serum helps strengthen hair follicles and supports healthy growth. All the ingredients are natural. Fenugreek seeds are especially powerful for hair health, and flax seeds add softness and shine. Try this serum and share your experience in the comments. Simple home remedies like this can make a big difference. Stay away from harsh chemicals. Take care of your hair naturally. Stay happy. Stay healthy.